Have you ever looked at a skyscraper and wondered, how did they build that thing? It's a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. I'll tell you how, with machines big enough to make King Kong jealous. These aren't your everyday tools, they're mechanical titans. We're talking massive excavators, towering cranes, colossal mining trucks. Each one is a powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest jobs. These are the unsung heroes of construction, mining, and infrastructure projects across the globe. Without them, our skylines and roadways would look very different. But there's a catch. You can't just build these behemoths on site. They require specialized assembly in factories. They're too big, too heavy, and too darn powerful to just drive down the highway. Transporting them is a logistical challenge. That's where the real heavy lifting begins. Transporting these giants from the factory to the front lines. It's a task that requires precision and expertise. Imagine navigating narrow mountain passes with a load wider than a house. The margin for error is razor thin. Picture squeezing a bulldozer taller than a telephone pole under a highway overpass. It's a nerve-wracking experience. That's the daily grind for the men and women who move mountains literally. They face these challenges head-on every single day. These are the unsung heroes of heavy transport, the ones who make sure the giants get where they need to be, safely and on time. Their work is crucial to keeping our world moving. It's a dirty job, fraught with risks, but somebody's got to do it. And they do it with remarkable skill and dedication. And trust me, it takes a special breed to handle these oversized loads. These professionals are a cut above the rest. So, buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive into the world of extreme, dangerous transport skills. Get ready to be amazed by what it takes to move these giants. Let's talk about the stars of the show, the oversized machines themselves. These mechanical giants are the backbone of many industries, from mining to construction, and they never fail to impress with their sheer size and power. We're not just talking about big rigs here. We're talking about machines that make big rigs look like toy trucks. These are the titans of the industrial world, designed to handle the toughest jobs on the planet. Take the Caterpillar 797F mining truck, for example. This machine is a true marvel of engineering, built to withstand the harshest conditions and carry the heaviest loads. This beast stands over 24 feet tall and weighs more than a Boeing 737. Its massive size is both awe-inspiring and intimidating. It hauls around 400 tons of ore in a single trip. Imagine the power and efficiency required to move such a colossal load. Talk about a heavy hitter. These trucks are the workhorses of the mining industry, tirelessly moving material day in and day out. Then there are the crawler cranes, those towering giants with arms that stretch hundreds of feet into the air. They are essential for lifting and placing heavy loads with precision. They lift and place massive bridge sections, skyscraper beams, and wind turbine blades with pinpoint accuracy. Their versatility and strength make them indispensable on construction sites. And don't even get me started on tunnel boring machines, those mechanical moles that chew through mountains like it's their job. These machines are the unsung heroes of underground construction. Each of these machines is a marvel of engineering designed for a specific purpose. Their complexity and capability are a testament to human ingenuity, but their sheer size and weight make them logistical nightmares to transport. Moving these giants requires meticulous planning and coordination. That's where the expertise of heavy transport operators comes in. These professionals ensure that every detail is accounted for, from securing the load to navigating the route. They're the ones who figure out how to move these behemoths from point A to point B, often over thousands of miles, and through some of the most challenging terrain imaginable. Their skill and dedication make it all possible. Moving a house is stressful enough, right? Now imagine moving a machine the size of a house, but 10 times heavier and with a zillion moving parts. That's the reality of heavy transport. It's a high-stakes game where one wrong move can have disastrous consequences. The risks are everywhere you look. Narrow roads, low bridges, tight corners, and unpredictable weather conditions are just a few of the obstacles these drivers face. And then there's the constant pressure of knowing that the slightest miscalculation could damage the valuable cargo they're hauling, not to mention putting lives at risk. It's not just about driving skill either. These operators need to be master strategists, planning every detail of the route, coordinating with engineers, law enforcement, and utility companies. They need to understand weight distribution, load securement, and the physics of moving oversized objects. It's a job that requires nerves of steel, a cool head, and a whole lot of experience. We've all seen those viral videos of trucks getting stuck under bridges or tipping over on highways. Now imagine that, but on a much grander scale, with a multi-million-dollar piece of equipment hanging in the balance. Unfortunately, accidents happen, even in the world of heavy transport, and the consequences can be catastrophic. Take the case of a bridge collapse in 2007 caused by an overweight truck. The incident resulted in multiple fatalities and highlighted the importance of accurate weight calculations and route planning. Then there was the time a wind turbine blade, being transported on a winding mountain road, came loose and crashed into a ravine. No one was hurt, but the incident underscored the critical importance of secure load fastening. These incidents serve as stark reminders of the ever-present dangers involved in heavy transport. They highlight the importance of meticulous planning, strict adherence to safety protocols, and the need for highly skilled and experienced operators behind the wheel. Section 5. Steering clear of disaster: the unsung heroes behind the wheel. So, who are these individuals who dedicate their lives to this high-pressure, high-risk profession? They are the unsung heroes of heavy transport, the ones who make sure the gears of industry keep turning, often working long hours, far from home, and under immense pressure. They're the ones who spend weeks on the road, meticulously navigating their massive cargo through crowded cities and desolate landscapes. They're the ones who lose sleep worrying about every bump in the road, every tight turn, every low-hanging power line. They're the ones who take pride in delivering their cargo safely and on time, knowing that their work plays a vital role in building the world around us. These are the people who love the open road, who thrive on challenge, and who possess a unique combination of skill, experience, and nerves of steel. They are the true heavyweights of the transport industry. Section 6. Precision in motion: the art of route planning and execution. Moving an oversized load isn't as simple as punching an address into a GPS. It requires a deep understanding of the terrain and the challenges that lie ahead. It's a carefully choreographed ballet of logistics, engineering, and sheer driving expertise. Every move is calculated, every decision is deliberate. It all starts with meticulous route planning, using specialized software to map out every inch of the journey, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Taking into account bridge heights, which can be a critical factor in determining the route, road widths, weight limits, and the structural integrity of the roads themselves. And even the time of day to avoid traffic congestion, ensuring a smooth and efficient journey. Permits are essential, requiring coordination with local authorities, which can be a time-consuming but necessary process, and sometimes even shutting down entire highways for brief periods to ensure safe passage. The loading and securing of the cargo is another art form in itself, involving complex calculations and precise measurements, and specialized equipment to ensure stability and prevent damage during transit. It's a team effort that requires precision and communication every step of the way, from planning to execution. And let's not forget the drivers themselves, the unsung heroes of this intricate process. They're the ones who execute these meticulously planned routes, making split-second decisions, adjusting to unexpected obstacles, and ensuring the cargo reaches its destination safely. And maneuvering their massive rigs with the grace of a seasoned conductor leading an orchestra, showcasing their unparalleled skill and experience. They are the embodiment of precision in motion, a testament to the art of route planning and execution. Section 7. Beyond the horizon: the future of oversized transport. The world of heavy transport is constantly evolving. New technologies like autonomous driving systems and advanced logistics software are emerging, promising to make the job safer and more efficient. But one thing remains constant: the need for skilled operators who understand the complexities of moving oversized loads. As we venture further into the 21st century, the demand for skilled heavy transport operators will only increase. We'll need them to transport even larger and more sophisticated machines, pushing the boundaries of engineering and construction. They will continue to be the unsung heroes who connect factories to job sites, enabling the construction of our future. The future of heavy transport is a future of innovation, but it's also a future built on the backs of the skilled men and women who make it all possible. Section 8. Essential Giants: the impact of heavy transport on our world. Next time you drive past a construction site, see a massive wind turbine, or even cross a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the essential role of heavy transport. These oversized loads and the skilled professionals who move them are the backbone of our modern world. They are the silent partners in building our infrastructure, powering our homes, and connecting our communities. Without them, our cities would grind to a halt, our industries would falter, and our lives would be drastically different. So, let's hear it for the giants on the road, the unsung heroes who keep our world moving forward, one oversized load at a time.